Don't be mad, but that equation would have factored easily if it were given in standard form. That's why the solutions were integers. Not all equations factor easily, and the relationship that we're beginning to see can be very helpful. Let's look at a function and equation that do not factor easily from standard form and see how vertex form can help us solve the equation or find the x-intercepts. Start with the function f of x equals x squared minus 6x plus 4. Okay, so we want to graph this function by putting it in vertex form. So let's start with my x squared minus 6x. What I'm going to do is I'm going to add I'm going to scoop my plus 4 over here. I'm going to take half of negative 6, which is negative 3. I'm going to add negative 3 squared and subtract negative 3 squared. So when I add it and subtract it, that's going to cancel it out. And then this part over here, do that better. This part over here is going to become x minus 3 squared. It's just the same as this and this. And then over here, I'm going to have a minus negative 3 squared is 9. So that's minus 9 plus 4. So it's going to give me a negative 5. So now I'm ready to graph this. This is going to say go 3 units right, 5 units down. So I'm going to graph this a little bit up here. So I'm going to go 3 units right, 1, 2, 3, 5 units down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to, let's make sure that's a wee bit bigger. I'm going to graph my quadratic. And I need to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like that. Let's get the curve. And our line of symmetry. Okay,